29 forecast.
Welcome back. After some showers this morning, we saw the clouds break for a little bit of sunshine, but still a fair amount of clouds around there. Certainly more humid conditions. 75 currently at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport. Dew points are generally in the low to middle 60s. The higher that number climbs, the more humid it gets. And again, 69 with some pretty good heavy downpours at the Valley Airport there in Weir's Cave. Winds out of the south-southwest at 7. Some other numbers, 73 in Madison. We have 72 in Palmyra, 74 in Dillon, and some rain-cooled conditions from Harrisonburg to Stanton to Waynesboro. NBC29's Doppler radar network showing you some showers here, not too far away, but just to the west and south of Charlottesville, out toward Batesville. We get out toward Afton. We go a little farther north. Here's some of the heavier downpours that have worked through Weir's Cave and up toward Harrisonburg and out toward Bridgewater. Some of those rainfall rates greater than ½ an inch per hour. Activity is lifting off to the north and east. So not everyone's going to see showers here this evening, but we still have that risk for maybe a strong or isolated severe thunderstorm. And that's why the Storm Prediction Center still has a marginal risk. Even though that's low on the scale, a storm could produce a damaging wind gust or some spotty hail. There have been some isolated warnings up across portions of Frederick County, north of Winchester and into Maryland. Temperatures here for the overnight quite mild. How about mid and lower 60s? There'll likely be some areas of fog to develop. Now tomorrow is a largely dry day, much warmer. Temperatures will top out well in the 80s, maybe even a 90-degree reading here across the Piedmont. But say after 5-6 o'clock tomorrow evening, there could be a few isolated storms that do develop. The main threat again would be some damaging wind gusts or some spotty hail. It looks like the front that we're tracking, the cold front, will kind of come through here Wednesday morning into the early afternoon. Temperatures after tomorrow will start to back down the rest of the week. Matter of fact, the late week will be much cooler. So this is a large complex system. You can still see some active tornado watches, even severe thunderstorm watches across the deep south. A tornado just west of Atlanta this morning. And again, it's been quite active since the weekend. So futurecast depiction here tonight, you can see a few isolated storms and showers, then that activity moves away, kind of quiet for the overnight. Tomorrow morning we'll start in the 60s, and then during the afternoon, even though it's not depicted here, there could be a few isolated storms. Temperatures well in the 80s to near 90. The cold front kind of bears down on us on Wednesday morning, so some showers, maybe a morning thunderstorm, and then there could be a few leftover storms trying to fire closer between Route 15 and say the I-95 corridor as we get into the middle of the afternoon. Our next weather maker after that will be on Friday. It'll be much cooler by the end of the week. So for tonight, temperatures in the low middle 60s, a few showers or an isolated storm. For Tuesday now, a very warm and humid day. Temperatures well in the 80s, maybe even near 90 in a few spots. But again, as we move toward the late afternoon, evening hours, could be a few isolated storms to develop. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, temperatures really warm tomorrow, quite humid. We won't get a break in the humidity until later Wednesday afternoon once the front comes through. And then once that happens, temperatures cool off for the rest of the week. Thursday's kind of the pick of the week, if you will. Dry, sunshine, temperatures in the 60s to near 70. We'll watch that system on Friday. Right now, it looks to clear out in time for the Mother's Day weekend. And it's certainly nice to see you guys
welcome to the house.
Back to the desk here tonight.
We tried to spruce the place up before you came over.
Yes, we missed you.
Good to be back.
Eric, thank you.